was to go home, but then I decided to go, hey, how's it going? Here, I had to show him a good time in my area. What can I say? Welcome to Gregory Hills. Yes, I am here at Gregory Hills, stuck. I have no lift home. Release my ride. So let's see where this journey takes us. First step, finding a light for, what do they call? The front light for my vehicle. Can we get a light at 4:30 p.m. on Friday? Sunday, I don't know. Today is a Sunday, 4:35 p.m. Let's see if we can find some headlights. So, route light. There? Yeah, we couldn't get the light. So apparently everything closes early on Sunday. Why? I have no idea. So now I asked for a coffee before, so let's get a coffee. Coffee time.
What about all the broken happy ever after? What about us? What about all the plans that ended in disaster?
What coffee? Caramel latte small. Oh shit! Hello, can I please get 2 small caramel lattes? That's all? Thank you. I like it, I like it. Shake that. How did you go with the open shot?
The what?
Oh, it's open
open?
shot.
What's in
The program.
I don't even bother.
Oh, fuck.
Like I tried it a couple of times, but then it kept fucking up, so I just stopped. I tried another software as well,
Yeah.
but
You're using an Apple
it's
Mac.
no desktop, but it's quite limited the performance.
Oh, I see.
The ones that
Ooh. Oh, this is a USB drive.
yeah, nice.
No wonder.
Thank you. Thanks, mate. So, put it in here.
That's so good.
I'll show you a good track. Different one, maybe. Tell me if you've heard it or not. I heard it the other day. Thought it was alright.
Listen,
Say what?
no wind.
No wind. There's no wind now. And I don't know what to say. No, I'm joking. Of course I know what to say. So we're doing our daily exercise routine. We haven't recorded it before, but we thought we'll show our fans. If you're ever in southwest of Sydney, want to do some exercise away from everyone, away from cars, enjoy the beautiful nature that is southwest Sydney, well, we thought we'll show you Cecil Hills Lake, where you can walk and talk. That's what we're doing. We're exercising, having a great time. It doesn't even feel like it. Does it?
Does it?
It just feels like you're in another country. I would say somewhere like northern Thailand, enjoying the luscious greens and beautiful waters. Thank you. Bye bye. I got nothing else to say. I'll do a view. Ooh, beautiful. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hello, ducky. Duck. Beautiful duck. Beautiful view.
Duck.
I think he's calling the duck.
Yeah, duck, duck. Duck, duck, goose.
Next to the rocks, moseying about. Mr. Prof looking good in his work attire. What do you want to say, Prof?
It's a beautiful lake. Very beautiful.
Anything else?
Yeah, enjoying the serenity.
Okay, that's about it. Cut.